Today I'm gonna try to attempt removing the Chevy engine on the stock car, and if I can, the transmission too. But I'm gonna try. That's the key word, because I'm by myself. I'm gonna try to record. Well, I'm usually always by myself, but I try my best to record while I'm doing it. But I'm gonna set up everything. I'm gonna start getting everything ready for the engine swap and start fixing the body. You could tell that the hood's all over the place, one because that's broken, and the other side the whole fender's coming off on one side. And then you can see it flapping right there. The whole side panel is coming off. So yeah, we're gonna start off with the engine first. So let's get ready. Get the stuff. So I removed the whole front clip, and the hood's right there and right there. It just goes attached by a bunch of rivets all around the edge and down there. And it had some here, but there were some already ripped off right here, so we just drill them out. Drill them out like this. Right here too. It's dirty as hell. Later on I had to remove the whole panel because that's why it was all over the place and it looked all off. Another thing that I saw were these. Where are they? These that hold it in place. They kind of reinforce the panels in place. The fender, this one didn't have any at all. I think that one had two. That one and another one over here. This one doesn't have any. That's why it was all flimsy down here either. In the corner right here where the wheel starts, it's supposed to have another type of, I guess, reinforcement. You can see the river right there. I didn't have anything. Only had this one, so it was better because it had a few here, this one and another one over there, but that side didn't have anything. And I'm pretty sure this thing was crashed multiple times. You can see right here, and I think the worst one was over here. You could see where the welds, good welds, and over here. I'm guessing they crashed right here or something. They tapped it or something. That's why I have a bunch of messed up parts. Where was it? Right here, this one. Right there. I'm pretty sure this went inside a little bit and they tried pulling it back. I'm pretty sure they reinforced it with this one or something like that. Yeah, it had damage. I mean, the guy that I was talking to, the driver, he said he actually won his first race with his car, so pretty sure it's awesome racing days. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the hoist and remove the engine, hopefully maybe even the transmission. I still need to remove the transmission anyway, so that's what's next. And it's off. Single-handedly took it off. It was pretty easy. I was just scared of messing up the plate, but it kept on getting stuck. That's why I didn't want to come out. And aside from that, it came out, and I mean, I wasn't expecting it, but I couldn't catch all the oil, so I'm gonna have to clean that up. But aside from that, right now I'm gonna check the dry shaft and give this a little clean and grind some stuff that is just ugly welds like this, make them smooth. Somewhere else, right here, this right here is like this. And grind everything really nice. I might have to weld some stuff, like I told you, like I said, the reinforcements for the body. That's one of the reasons why I want to grind off the parts and make them clean. Over here, a bunch of little stuff. I'm pretty sure it had like lifters or something. I want to see if I could try and get some lifters and get it to work with the lifters, so it could open the hood by itself. Probably work on this. I don't know if I should keep the same brakes or get some new ones, like the brake system. Put another brake system. I don't know if probably a Mustang one would fit, or I don't know. So it's what we're gonna research. But so far the engine's off. Now we just need to get the donor car, take off the engine and transmission, and start checking what is it that we need to change. Hopefully the transmission plate is the same, or we had to modify it just a little bit. And the engine mounts, I was looking at them. And aside from that, I already have the radiator. We have 2 radiators, and it's just about all the fuel system from the Fusion, the fuel tank, the lines, the filler neck. Then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to weld something so that right here the headlight, the Fusion headlight, I want to put the original headlights, tail lights, to make it street legal. They were telling me to put the LED ones and stuff like that, but nah, I mean, I'm just gonna go with the regular headlamps and everything. I mean, it came with the car, so I might as well use them. And aside from that, basically done for today.